All right, here we are at day 3 of our snow days on the heels of a 2-week break. So it's been an extended vacation, and it is still very, very cold out, -3 degrees this morning. And I'm making this video, and this is probably the most embarrassing video that I'm making because I really screwed up when I made my snow day number 3 video, and I'll explain why in a moment. But before we go on, I want to say do not try this at home. And a reminder that boiling water burns. So do not do that. And like I said in my first video that I'm about to delete, I want no complaints from parents and calls from emergency rooms because you did something stupid. Because I'm telling you right now, do not do this. All right, in my previous video that hopefully you're not going to get a chance to see because I'm going to get rid of it as soon as I finish this one. I do this experiment that they've been showing on TV and on YouTube where they take some boiling water and they toss it into the air, and the news and many videos say that the water freezes immediately and turn into snow. And I bought into it. And then there's another video where the guy takes a super soaker, and that's my super soaker, and it shoots out a stream, and it looks like clouds of snow. Alright, so on the news and on YouTube, people are saying that the boiling water turns to snow, and I said that in the previous video as well, but I thought about it, and it's not snow. Alright, so what's actually happening is the water is vaporizing. It's evaporating. And so, of course, we know that boiling water, really hot boiling water, will have little particles evaporate. Okay, so it makes more sense that the boiling water would be closer to evaporation than it would be toward freezing. And so I was thinking about it, and it just didn't make sense that it would freeze so rapidly, even though it was really, really cold. And the big thing about it is that the difference in temperature, let's say this is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it releases to, let's say, -3 degrees Fahrenheit, that difference in temperature is not going to make it freeze. What's going to happen is all these little particles of H2O is going to evaporate faster because of that difference in temperature. And it's going to evaporate faster when you throw it into the air and the particles are kind of broken up into the air. So before I talk any further, what I'll do is I'll show you the video. Let me adjust it real quick. That's my backyard. Let's see. Alright. So we'll play it. And you can't see the pot, but there you have it. And I guess maybe it looks like snow on the outset, but if you take a close look, it actually is just vapor. And here's one where I take a little squirt gun and I shoot it. And you know, when thinking about it, it was kind of silly of me to think that it was snow, because obviously it's not turning into snow. It's turning into kind of a mist or a gas or steam, actually. And so that's what you're seeing. You're not seeing snow dropping, you're seeing steam. And the boiling water is not freezing, the boiling water is evaporating. So, you know, silly me to listen to the newsmen. They got it wrong, and embarrassingly enough, I got it wrong the first time too. So, once again, what we saw was not, I'm running out of space here. What you see there is not liquid going to solid. No. What we're seeing is a liquid going through an extremely fast vaporization, changing into a gas. All right, but it is kind of cool. It was kind of cool to do and to observe. Only wish my observations were a little bit better. All right, thanks.